When you install a playground surface, you need it to be safe, durable, fun, minimal maintenance required, and cost-effective. SYNLawn helps customers to achieve all of these objectives with no compromise.
Working with SYNLawn has been an outstanding decision for us. It's a huge, great investment for the district. Every day it's playable, it's safe, very little maintenance, so all these cost benefits. But once again, it comes down to the safety of the students and the playability for the students. So it's been great.
Whatever the size or complexity of the play area, safety is always our top priority, just as we know that it's yours. We now have the most comprehensive playground testing in the industry. At SYNLawn, we help prevent injuries before they happen by using fastener-free IPEMA certified installation methods, proven to improve child safety significantly. Our ASTM, ADA, and IPEMA certified installation systems ensure safety over time. Our turf won't shift on impact, and wheelchairs can maneuver across the turf safely. We ensure that fall heights comply with strict regulations. And we're the only company to offer an expanded program of ASTM Class A fire-rated products for additional safety on any installation. Our antimicrobial and anti-static technologies make SYNLawn the cleanest and safest turf available. A soft, clean place to play, and sometimes to fall, minimizes the risk of injury or infection. And children with grass allergies can now enjoy playing outside without fear of side effects. Even if it rains, playtime can resume as soon as it stops, so no excuses not to get right back outside into the fresh air. Drainage is fast and efficient, minimizing the risk of slips and trips that might be experienced on grass. And there's no muddy shoes or dirty uniforms for teachers and parents to worry about. Playgrounds need to perform year after year and to withstand the rigors of daily use by enthusiastic children. Our durable fibers have the industry's longest manufacturer-backed warranty, protecting your investment and ensuring that it remains vibrant, safe, and highly functional year after year after year, even with minimal maintenance.
We did approximately 42 playgrounds in the 2013 school year. 15 years is what we had anticipated. It looks like it's going to last longer than that. The paddedness underneath, we haven't had any deterioration, and we're in a pretty harsh climate where we get a lot of extremes, and it's still maintaining it, and it's held up exactly the way we anticipated it to.
Our turf is manufactured using recycled and sustainable bio-based resources, which can contribute to your lead points. And of course, sprinklers and mowers are no longer needed to keep the area looking its best. With minimal maintenance and upkeep required to keep your playground fully functional, the long-term financial benefit is significant. We have a wide variety of turf and design options available, the USDA certified playground system with a pad, and financing options that enable us to meet any budget. Whatever size space you need, whatever sports and activities you'd like to incorporate, and whatever your budget, we can provide a custom solution that will be safe, durable, fun, minimal maintenance, and cost-effective.
The national and the local reps have been outstanding to deal with. We have not had any concerns. This is an outstanding company.
To learn more about SYNLawn, please call or visit synlawn.com.